Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to make a scented pouch for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to start off with a square of a satin fabric that I cut down into a circle. And then I will hot glue this circle onto a sheet of lace fabric there. And I'm hot gluing completely around. Even though the right sides are facing each other, right now, I'm going to hot glue the entire circle right onto the lace fabric there. And then once I've got that hot glued on, I will cut the lace into the shape of a circle. It was just easier to do it this way than try to cut everything all at once. And then I'll cut that on down to size. And once I have my circles there, I'm going to take just the lace side and cut a little hole right in the center of just the lace. You don't want to cut through into the satin part. I kind of made like a little X there. And then I can use that hole to turn the right sides out. So I'll flip that right side out. And then I'm also going to use that to fill it with the scented pouch there. This I got from the dollar store. It smells just like roses. It actually smells really good for being from the dollar store. But I just had to cut open the bag that it came in and pull the little scented pouch out. I'm also stuffing some cotton in there so that it'll give it a rounded shape on the bottom. And then I will use a rubber band to just tie everything together. So I kind of gather it all in my hand, shoving the little scented pouch and the cotton all the way to the bottom, because we don't want that bulging out the top there. And then once I have that, I will put my rubber band on. This is also kind of a neat effect if you want to do something for St. Patrick's Day and do like little pots of gold. Just use a gold fabric at the bottom, or gold fabric in the center and a black fabric on the outside, like a little pot there. And then once I have my little pouch, I'm just going to decorate it with some tulle and some little flowers. And I had an issue with my camera, so you're not going to see me add all the flowers, but I'm just going to add, first I'm going to add a ribbon, bringing that gold into the bottom of the pouch there. We're using a cream and gold ribbon. Just a real easy bow on there, just a little shoelace bow, which I find funny that this is probably the simplest bow, but it's like the hardest one for me to make the loops just right and the strands hang down just right. Even though it's only 2 loops, it always gets me. But back to adding flowers, just adding some red and pink onto there. And then my camera decided to hate me, so I didn't get to show you all of it. But just using hot glue to add those in. You can add anything that you want in there. Put more ribbon at the top. If it was Christmas, you could add ornaments or pine cones. But when it's all done, there you go. Just a little scented pouch. Put it anywhere in your home and it will smell great. Thank you so much for watching.